Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing a brand new release bookshelf speaker from Encel. They're Gelati bookshelf speakers. Now, bookshelf speakers, who needs another brand? Who needs another variety? Well, these have found themselves a little segment of the market by being funky and cool. The sound performance is excellent, great, awesome, but these are designed to fit into any decor and any lifestyle by offering 4 colour options with the speakers and up to 12 colour options with the aftermarket grills. They do pink grills, they do purple grills, they do orange grills, and some relatively standard ones like black and white. It means you can just be a little bit funky, a little bit different, and then in 6 months' time when the decor changes you can flick the grills off and put in a different one if you want. Because let's be honest, there's an appeal to having sound in our environments, but the physics of it means that you're not necessarily appealing by its physical presence. So let's put them out there, let's make them a bit funky, let's colour them up, let's have some fun. And that's exactly what these speakers are positioned in our market. They sound great, 50 to 20 kilohertz, so good frequency response. They'll support 25 to maybe 100 watt amplifiers, so nice and compatible, compliant, easy to listen to sound. But most importantly, a speaker in your living room is always going to sound better than no speaker at all. So it covers off a brilliant part of the market. Nevertheless, let's have a look. Firstly, some funky packaging, and that's the point. These are designed to be fun. We're not going to take them too seriously from a performance perspective, although that's there. The idea is that they will sit beautifully in any living room. So, the box. There's some freight information on the top. There's some model and serial number information on one edge. Opening them is very straightforward because they're sealed closed with classic packing tape. So some simple nicks, and we're in. Now the first thing that we'll see is an additional layer of cardboard and some little stick-on rubber feet. The cardboard reveals closed-cell foam cut away to support the speakers and ensure that they're separated enough both from the outside and from each other to ensure that they're well looked after in transit. These speakers are very straightforward to get out. There are 2 of them. We've opted to unbox them in white today, although they're available in a caramel wood grain, black, and then a pistachio sort of green, just to be cool and funky, which is the whole idea of these. Opening them is really straightforward. A simple nick opens an oversized bag. In that bag is the classic sort of poly paper to protect the speaker's finish. Probably the easiest is to roll it over and lift the bag. And then that protective polystyrene paper as well. Now inside there's another piece of foam, and that's designed to sit over and protect the tweeter and reveal everything there. There's some basic information and some sort of sticker. We see the speaker for the first time. Now this is a white sort of wood grain effect on the rear carcass of the speaker, and the front has beveled edges and is a painted matte finish. There is a 1-inch tweeter, silk dome, and then a 5-inch mid-bass driver, and then the Encel logo below in gold. Looking at it, you can see that it's very, very straightforward to introduce these to a space. They're not very deep, they don't take up a lot of room. The same with their width. I mean, it's not a big speaker. At the rear we see traditional but good quality binding posts, ready for a banana plug or as classic 5-way binding post. We've got model and serial number information central, and then a centralized port. There's enough space to perhaps wall mount these with a bracket, And the fit and finish at the rear is excellent as well. Again, the side, not very deep, and you hopefully can catch the fact that this is a textured wood grain. Now, the purpose though, and look, hang around as always, because what I'm going to try and do is display these speakers with the myriad of different grill options that are available to highlight just how funky these can be. I'll probably unbox a pair of black ones so you can see some contrast in them as well. So please hang around for the photographs where you'll see the whole range of colour options for these speakers. And one of the reasons, in fact the reason why I'm sharing them today, is this product sounds great, but it looks superb, and with the ability to flick out and get more grills later, you can change your decor, you can change the colour and have some fun. Put some music in that living room, have some fun with it while you're doing it. So there we have it. Encel's Gelati bookshelf speakers, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.